Welcome, everybody. Today, Jane and I make a trip to Cape Canaveral, Florida, at the Kennedy Space Center. From Florida to Alaska, from the East Coast to the West Coast, join Steve and Jane celebrating their 50th anniversary as they explore America in the cool Nana Coach, their 27-foot Freedom Elite motorhome, as they visit the many points of interest in our beautiful country on their golden anniversary adventure.
Thank you for joining us for the first launch of 2022 and our 35th launch of Starlink to date.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Stage 1 chamber pressure is nominal.
Plus 45 seconds into liftoff, and Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center, carrying our stack of 49 Starlink satellites to low Earth orbit. Now, moments ago, we did throttle down the engines in preparation for max Q, and that is maximum aerodynamic pressure. Max Q. And there's the call out that we just passed through max Q. That is the largest structural load that the vehicle will see throughout ascent.